Hey, it's Will of Will's Garden, and I know there's something keeping you all up at night, and it's how to remove these bungs, these ports on top of the 55-gallon barrels that are fixed top. There's two of them, and they can be really tight and hard to get out. Now, this is the proper tool. I'll put a link in the description. Of course, you're probably not going to want to buy one if you're only doing a couple barrels. But so what it does is these actually ride down inside there. And if you can see, it hooks on and twists loose. It also makes it so that you can tighten these down real nice and tight, like if you're doing a dock or something like that, trying to make them float. There's a rubber gasket there. You can get them really nice and snug with this. Now, the other trick is to take a pair of adjustable pliers and use the outside and go in like that. And then that works too. Works pretty well. It's a little awkward, if you're doing this on the regular basis. Spend the $8-9, get one of these off Amazon. They're real handy. I've been using this one for years. If the one you're buying happens to have this on top, this is just a pull tab. Of course, I'm not going to be able to get it. Real handy, but you're just going to flip it open. It rips right off. Sometimes it's going to kind of beat the living daylights out of it. To get it. Please write down in the comments below how pathetic it is that I'm struggling with this. But, it just rips. Finally get it. Man, this one's being tough. But, just keep working it. It will finally fall apart on you. Goes off. Then it's the same idea under this one. And see, it does take a little bit of force to break it loose when it's factory sealed like that. You need some leverage. You're not just going to be able to stick your fingers in there and work it that first little bit once it gets loosened. And a lot of these barrels, especially the 55-gallon ones, one side is going to be your fine NTP thread, 2-inch, and then the other side is going to be the specialty coarse thread. I'll put a link in the description on where you can order these. We've got them in the shop for sale. And so one side is one, the other one's the other. It's Will of Will's Garden. If you found this video helpful, can you just do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos about this kind of stuff, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks.